Continuing to look at specialized units across our focus region, we turn our attention to Germany and its mountain and cold weather-focused force, Mountain Infantry Brigade, or Gebirgsjägerbrigade 23, Bavaria. Labeled as a high-performance, rapidly deployable and effective large unit in the Bavarian Alps, the force specializes in extreme terrain under extreme climatic conditions. In this video, we take a closer look at the unit, its equipment, and its structure. Gebirgsjägerbrigade 23's high degree of specialization is said to give it unique attributes within the German army. Naturally categorized as being within the German army's light forces, Mountain Infantry Brigade 23 is the only major unit in the German armed forces specializing in combat across difficult to extreme terrain and under extreme climatic conditions. During operations in high mountains and subarctic environments, the mountain infantry often operate autonomously within the brigade. This enables the entire brigade to project rapid air-mobile forces for operations across the full spectrum of intensity. The unit's official website states that to meet the physical and mental demands of its role in the ice and snow of high altitudes in the high north, mountain marches with heavy packs, rock and ice climbing, and ski treks are part of the soldiers' daily routine. The brigade also has a highly mobile command post concept for leading and coordinating forces. Continuing to draw on information from the unit's official website, it states that the brigade has approximately 4,000 service members across 3 battalions and another 5 subunits which are directly subordinate to the brigade. It should be noted that we're not sure how up-to-date the website is in terms of numbers and unit size. The main fighting forces are, of course, the 3 mountain infantry battalions. These battalions are designated Mountain Infantry Battalion 231, 232 and 233 and are located at Bad Reichenhall, Bischofswiesen and Mittenwald, respectively. As for the other 5 subunits directly under brigade command, we have the Deployment and Training Center for Pack Animals 230, which probably sounds smoother in German, Mountain Reconnaissance Company 23, Mountain Engineer Company 23, Mountain Supply Company 23, and finally there's the brigade's own headquarters and signals company. Going through each of these specialist support units, the Deployment and Training Center for Pack Animals 230, located in Bad Reichenhall, is the only unit of the German armed forces capable of transporting loads of up to 150 kilograms per animal in extreme terrain and under extreme weather conditions using pack and riding animals. The animals are deployed in areas inaccessible to motor vehicles, thus contributing to crisis and conflict management. Indeed, the brigade says on its website that unlike helicopters, mules can be used silently at altitudes of up to 6,000 meters and in almost all weather conditions. There are approximately 140 soldiers responsible for the animals' care themselves, and the animals have their own farriers and veterinarians. This unit/training center is the central facility for training on pack and riding animals and thus trains other units of the German armed forces, such as special forces. Animals used include mules, donkeys, and Haflinger horses. The Operations and Training Center also continuously develops its expertise in handling and caring for pack and riding animals through cooperation with other nations that possess comparable units, thereby enhancing its capabilities for national and collective defense. Next up is Mountain Reconnaissance Company 23, which serves as the brigade's reconnaissance unit. Located in Füssen, the company's ability to operate using a mix of sensors in difficult to extreme terrain and under all weather conditions is what sets the unit apart from other reconnaissance units of Germany's armed forces. It's the same idea for the Mountain Engineer Company 23, which serves the brigade with its specialized capabilities in high mountain terrain and difficult environments. Making things possible is specialized equipment, including all-terrain vehicles and comprehensive mountain and climate-related training. Equipment such as the walking excavator allows for work in high mountain regions, for example in road construction or the building of field fortifications. The company's Explosive Ordnance Disposal or EOD team is capable of clearing minefields and disposing of improvised explosive devices or IEDs. Located in Ingolstadt, the subunit facilitates the movement of friendly forces, impedes the enemy's freedom of movement, and enhances the protection and endurance of troops. Next, the Mountain Supply Company 23 is the only mountain logistics unit of the German Armed Forces and has all the necessary capabilities to ensure the supply of the Mountain Infantry Brigade even in difficult terrain and under adverse weather conditions. Located at the sites of Bad Reichenhall and Mittenwald, the unit's core mission is to provide logistical support to the brigade, including maintenance, material management, and transport. For this purpose, the unit is equipped with specialized equipment such as the Hägglunds BV-206. With approximately 330 personnel, the Mountain Supply Company 23 is said to be one of the largest units in the German Armed Forces at the company level. And finally, there's the Headquarters and Signals Company of the Mountain Infantry Brigade. Again, the name is quite self-explanatory, as are its special abilities as part of the brigade. When it comes to equipment, we already mentioned a few things, but the unit's official brochure mentions specialized clothing for different climate zones, as well as snow camouflage suits and climbing and skiing equipment. The transport of personnel and equipment can involve snowmobiles and the BV-206 oversnow vehicle in various configurations. So that's what we could find on the Special Mountain/Extreme Cold Weather Unit of Germany's Armed Forces. To us, they sound similar to the Alpini of Italy or the 10th Mountain Division of the United States, all of these being regular army units but categorized as light infantry with special skills to fight in extreme cold weather and mountainous terrain. What do you think of the unit's structure and, in particular, its pack animal subunit? Let us know by leaving a comment.